Controlling the direction of a DC motor is fundamental in robotics, automation, and countless engineering projects. But how exactly is bidirectional control achieved with just a simple circuit? If you're building a robot or working on an embedded system, understanding the H-bridge is essential. And that's exactly what this video will help you master. An H-bridge is a type of electrical circuit that allows a voltage to be applied across a load in either direction. The name H-bridge comes from its typical graphical representation: 4 switches or transistors arranged in a configuration that resembles the letter H. This design allows the motor to spin clockwise, counterclockwise, or be stopped, depending on which switches are activated. To build this with clarity and precision, we'll use Wondershare EdrawMax. In this video, we'll walk through the exact steps for creating a detailed professional H-bridge DC motor wiring diagram. Whether you're a student learning control systems or an engineer prototyping your next build, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started by opening EdrawMax. After launching the software or accessing EdrawMax online, sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Logging in gives you full access to the entire library of electrical and electronics diagramming tools. From the dashboard, click on New and select Electrical Diagram. This opens a canvas tailored for circuit designs, offering all the components and formatting tools you'll need. Next, drag and drop the DC motor symbol from the component library. Placing it in the center of the canvas helps anchor your layout and maintain balance, since the motor is the focal point of the H-bridge. Now, let's configure the switching system. Add 4 SPST switches, or you can use NPN and PNP transistors to each corner of the H pattern. Place 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, with the motor terminals connecting across them diagonally. This layout will allow for directional current flow when opposite switches are closed, thus reversing the motor's rotation. Add a power source by placing a DC voltage symbol on the top and bottom rails. A 12V battery is typical. Connect the positive terminal to the upper switches and the negative terminal to the ground connected to the lower switches. Now, your circuit has the ability to drive current through the motor in either direction, depending on which 2 switches are active. Using the connector tool, wire the components according to the standard H-bridge structure: top left to bottom right, and top right to bottom left. Make sure to avoid short circuits by not activating both switches on the same side at the same time. Clear labeling is crucial in motor wiring diagrams. Use the text tool to label each switch or transistor, the motor, and the power source. Labeling ensures that the diagram is not just readable, but practical for testing and troubleshooting later. Once everything is connected and looks structurally correct, double-check the logic of your H-bridge layout. When satisfied, go to File, then choose Export to save the diagram as a PNG, PDF, or SVG file, whatever format suits your project needs. Using EdrawMax, you not only speed up your design process, you also improve the clarity and effectiveness of your documentation. The clean, intuitive interface lets you focus on the circuit logic without getting stuck in formatting hassles. Visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping your thoughts today with EdrawMax.